my channel, The Girl on Wheels. Today I created this blue eye makeup look for you all. Watch the video till the end to know how it's done, and let's not waste any more time and get started. I'm gonna start with Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer on my face, and I've already exfoliated, cleansed and moisturized my skin well, just using this to get extra moisture. And now I'm gonna go with the lips with Vaseline Lip Care. This Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer, just a little bit where I have open pores. I have already cream contour with orange corrector. I'm gonna take MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I'm gonna take at the back of my hand, just a little bit. I don't need much. It's a full coverage foundation. I'm gonna mix it up with the Pack Oil Primer. I always prefer mixing it with oil primers or the essential oil because I like the dewy finish, plus I am a dry skin type. So I'm gonna mix it up with a brush and apply it all over my face. After applying foundation all over my face, I took this flat blending brush from Mascara and I'm blending my foundation on my face. I'm applying it on my neck as well. Now I'm gonna take this beauty blender and blend again. If you need a flawless base, you need to blend your foundation well. Take this LA Pro Concealer. I'm in the shade Classic Ivory and I'm gonna cover my dark pigmentation around my eyes with this concealer. I'm applying it under my eyes and on my eyelids as well. And now I'm gonna go around my mouth where I have dark pigmentation, on the bridge of my nose to highlight, and on my forehead as well. And yeah, I do look funny. Now with the help of Pack Mini Blender, I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm using the dabbing motion here. I'm gonna take the same flat blending brush from Mascara and blend everything out. Now I'll take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I'm in the shade medium. I'm not using the baking procedure here. I'm just taking a little bit and dabbing under my eyes, and I'm gonna remove the excess and just going very light on my face as well. I don't want to use a lot of powder. I want the dewy finish. Now I'm gonna take this Rimmel London Brow this way. I'm in the shade 003 dark brown and I'm gonna fill my brows with this. Now I'll start with my eyes, and first I'm gonna take this Sugar Cosmetic Blend the Rose eyeshadow palette in the shade 02 Warrior. Such a beautiful palette, just look at that, look at the colors. I'm gonna take the brown shade from this palette and start doing my eyes. Now I'm gonna take this blue color from the same eyeshadow palette and apply it all over my eye, on my eyelid and little bit on my crease. Repeating the same on my other eye as well. I really like like this palette. The colors are beautiful and pigmented. You can definitely give it a try. Now I'm taking this Eyes and Shine eyeshadow crayon from Sugar Cosmetics, and first I'm gonna try apply it as a liner, then I'm gonna go on eyelid as well. It's very easy to use, plus very smooth. You don't need to work hard with it. I really like that eyeshadow crayon. Now I'm taking the Wet n Wild felt tip eyeliner. It's in a sketch pen form, so it's very easy to use. Plus it dries out completely within a seconds. So I'm just using that. Now I'm taking this Lakme Eyeconic curling mascara. I love using mascara. I can't go without it. I have very thin lashes. Now I'm going to use the Kajal and complete my eye look. I'm using this Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal. After Kajal, I'm gonna go with the contouring palette, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette. They have one more shade in this. You can definitely check that out. I'm in the shade Light, I guess, because I don't want a lot of bronzer on my face. I love using the light bronze powders, and I'm gonna go and blend it out on my jawline as well, and definitely on my nose to enhance a little bit. Now I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetic mini blush in the shade 01 Peach Peak. Such a beautiful blush, different from pink undertones. It's a bit of peachy and brown undertone. I'm taking my Lakme blush and applying it all over my cheek. Use NYX Dewy Finish makeup setting spray to just set my makeup and let it dry. Now I'm going to use Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I love this highlighter. It is one of the best affordable drugstore highlighters in the market. It's suitable for all skin tones. You can definitely check this out if you love highlighters just like I do, which you can easily tell by looking at me applying a highlighter all over my face. I'm using the same highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna use the same highlighter just under my brows to enhance a little bit, and I'm gonna blend it all out. I'm gonna complete this look by using my Glamm liquid matte lipstick from the Leche collection in the shade 01 Ferny Girl. It has two shades in it. I'm using this peachy brown shade over here. It's gonna completely dry out. It's a matte lipstick, and it's so cute and so many easily affordable and travel friendly. And I'm gonna use the highlighter on my collarbones, which I forgot, and this is how the look was completed. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment section below. Till then, love you all. See you soon.